This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing PubG and its launchers so files aren't locked. Next, open File Explorer and go directly to the game folder path. Use %local app data % or your Steam install. Once there, locate the config and saved folders. Make a backup copy to desktop or an external drive so you can restore settings if needed. Taking this first step prevents account or settings loss and lets you remove only the files you intend to. Now you delete the specific config files. Remove config \Windows no editor or the game user settings. Ini that stores resolutions and keybinds. If you need a full reset, clear saved \save games and any input binding files. Make sure to remove only what you backed up earlier. Once done, empty the recycle bin or move files to quarantine to prevent accidental restore. These actions reset the client to defaults. Restarting the launcher will after removing files, launch PubG so the game regenerates default configs. You'll know it worked when graphics and bindings revert to defaults. If something is wrong, restore the backup copies you made earlier and restart. If the game crashes or behaves oddly, use Steam's Verify Integrity of Game Files or reinstall the game to fix corrupted assets. One key tip: always keep that backup until you confirm stable gameplay. Restoring it solves most post-cleanup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.